Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. It offers unparalleled convenience, freeing us from the shackles of Ethernet cables. No longer are we bound to a single spot. We can move around freely while staying connected. Cafes, airports, and homes buzz with wireless signals, seamlessly connecting our devices. This ubiquitous connectivity has transformed how we live, work, and play. However, this convenience comes at a price: heightened security risks. The very nature of Wi-Fi makes it susceptible to various forms of cyber attacks. As our reliance on Wi-Fi grows, cybercriminals are finding increasingly sophisticated methods to exploit its vulnerabilities. They are constantly evolving their tactics to breach our networks. Our data, privacy, and even our digital identities are at stake. A single breach can lead to significant personal and financial losses. For years, Wpa2 or Wi-Fi Protected Access 2 was the gold standard for Wi-Fi security. It promised robust encryption, safeguarding our data from prying eyes. However, even the strongest armor has its weaknesses. In 2017, the cybersecurity world was rocked by the discovery of crack or key reinstallation attack. This vulnerability exploited a flaw in Wpa2's handshake process, allowing attackers to intercept and decrypt sensitive information. Suddenly, millions of devices, from laptops and smartphones to smart home gadgets, were vulnerable. The attack highlighted a critical lesson: security is not a destination but an ongoing journey. While patches were quickly released, the incident served as a stark reminder that no technology is foolproof. The cat-and-mouse game between security researchers and cybercriminals is relentless. Enter Wpa3, the next generation of Wi-Fi security, designed to address the shortcomings of its predecessor. Wpa3 boasts stronger encryption algorithms and individual data encryption for each user on a network. One of its key improvements is the protection against offline dictionary attacks. Wpa3 makes it significantly harder for hackers to guess passwords by brute force, even if they have captured network traffic. However, even with these advancements, Wpa3 is not an impenetrable fortress. Security researchers have already identified potential vulnerabilities, highlighting that the pursuit of robust security is an ongoing process. As with any new technology, widespread adoption takes time. Many devices still use Wpa2, making them susceptible to known attacks. Upgrading to Wpa3 compatible devices and routers is crucial, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving their tactics, developing new and sophisticated methods to exploit Wi-Fi networks. Gone are the days of simple password cracking. Today's hackers employ a range of techniques, from creating evil twin networks that mimic legitimate ones to launching man-in-the-middle attacks that intercept data in transit. They use readily available tools and software, making it easier than ever to launch attacks. Dark web marketplaces offer hacking services for hire, lowering the barrier to entry for aspiring cybercriminals. One growing trend is the use of Wi-Fi pineapple devices. These rogue access points can be easily planted in public places, tricking unsuspecting users into connecting and revealing sensitive information. Section 5. Real-world consequences when Wi-Fi hacks hit home. The consequences of Wi-Fi hacking can be devastating, both for individuals and organizations. Imagine your banking credentials stolen, your identity compromised, or your company's confidential data held hostage. In 2017, the NotPetya ransomware attack crippled businesses worldwide, causing billions of dollars in damage. The malware spread rapidly through networks, exploiting vulnerabilities in outdated software. In another incident, hackers gained access to a casino's database through an internet-connected fish tank thermometer. This highlights the importance of securing all devices on a network, even those that seem innocuous. The rise of smart homes presents new challenges. Hackers could potentially gain control of connected devices, from security cameras and smart locks to appliances and even children's toys. Section 6. The human element, social engineering and Wi-Fi attacks. While technology plays a crucial role in Wi-Fi security, we must not overlook the human element. The weakest link in any security system is often the human user, who can be easily manipulated. Social engineering tactics often prove more effective than brute force attacks. These tactics exploit human psychology, making them a powerful tool for hackers. Hackers prey on our trust, using psychological manipulation to trick us into revealing sensitive information or granting access to our networks. They might pose as trusted entities or create a sense of urgency to lower our defenses. Phishing emails disguised as legitimate messages can lure us into clicking on malicious links or downloading infected attachments. These emails often appear to come from reputable sources, making them hard to distinguish from genuine communication. Public Wi-Fi networks are particularly vulnerable to social engineering attacks. When we connect to these networks, we often do so without considering the potential risks. Hackers can easily set up fake networks with names similar to legitimate ones, tricking users into connecting and exposing their data. This method, known as an evil twin attack, is alarmingly effective. Education and awareness are paramount in mitigating these risks. By understanding the tactics used by hackers, we can better protect ourselves and our networks. Be wary of suspicious emails, even if they appear to come from known contacts. Avoid clicking on unfamiliar links, and always think twice before taking any action. Always verify the identity of anyone requesting sensitive information. Taking these precautions can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to social engineering attacks. Section 7. Building Fort Knox, Practical Tips for Wi-Fi Security. Securing your Wi-Fi network doesn't require a degree in cybersecurity. With a few straightforward steps, you can make your home network much more secure. By following some simple yet effective practices, you can significantly reduce your risk of becoming a victim. These steps are easy to implement and can make a big difference. First and foremost, change the default password on your router. Default passwords are often well known and can be easily exploited by hackers. Use a strong and unique password that is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This makes it much harder for anyone to guess or crack your password. Enable Wpa2 or preferably Wpa3 encryption on your router. This ensures that your data is encrypted and protected from unauthorized access. This scrambles your data, making it much harder for hackers to intercept and decipher. Encryption is a critical layer of defense for your network. Disable WPS or Wi-Fi protected setup, as it has known vulnerabilities. WPS can be a convenient feature, but it also poses significant security risks. Keep your router's firmware up to date. Firmware updates often include important security patches that protect against newly discovered threats. Manufacturers regularly release updates that patch security flaws. Staying current with these updates is essential for maintaining a secure network. Consider enabling automatic updates to ensure you always have the latest protection. This way you won't have to worry about manually checking for updates. Be cautious when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. Public networks are often less secure and can be a hotspot for cybercriminals. Avoid accessing sensitive information such as bank accounts or online shopping sites. If you must use public Wi-Fi, take extra precautions. Consider using a VPN to encrypt your traffic and mask your IP address. A VPN adds an additional layer of security, making it much harder for anyone to track your online activities. Section 8. The Future of Wi-Fi Security, a Constant Battleground. The fight for Wi-Fi security is a continuous battle. As technology evolves, so too will the tactics of cybercriminals. New vulnerabilities are discovered, and existing ones are exploited in novel ways. Quantum computing poses a significant threat to encryption algorithms. While still in its early stages, quantum computers have the potential to break the encryption we rely on today, rendering our data vulnerable. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is another double-edged sword. While AI can be used to enhance security, it can also be exploited by hackers to automate attacks and make them more sophisticated and difficult to detect. The future of Wi-Fi security will likely involve a multi-layered approach, combining advanced technologies like AI and quantum-resistant encryption with human vigilance and awareness. Section 9. Staying ahead of the curve, resources for continuous learning. Staying informed is crucial in the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity. Numerous online resources provide valuable information and guidance on protecting yourself and your data. Websites like Krebs on Security, The Hacker News, and ThreatPost offer up-to-date news, analysis, and insights into the latest cyber threats. The National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, provides cybersecurity frameworks and best practices. Organizations like the SANS Institute and ISACA offer cybersecurity training and certifications for individuals looking to enhance their skills and knowledge. Many free online courses and resources are also available. Remember, cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. By staying informed, being vigilant, and adopting a security-first mindset, we can collectively make the digital world a safer place.